Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about NIO Inc., a pioneer in China's premium electric vehicle market. Founded in 2014, NIO designs, manufactures, and sells smart and connected premium electric vehicles. Driving innovations in next-generation technologies in connectivity, autonomous driving, and artificial intelligence, NIO aims to redefine user experience in vehicles. They're not just selling cars, but a lifestyle change. NEO is also involved in the FIA Formula E Championship, the world's first single-seater all-electric racing series. NIO's key features include its premium electric vehicles, such as the ES8, a seven-seater high-performance electric SUV, and the ES6, a high-performance long-range electric SUV. They also have the EC6, a five-seater premium electric coupe SUV. Their vehicles are equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, and they're also notable for their battery swapping technology, which gives a new lease of life to used batteries. NEO also provides users with comprehensive and convenient power solutions, including home charging, supercharging, and power service plans. In terms of pricing, NEO's vehicles are not cheap, but they are competitively priced for the premium segment. For example, the NEO ES8 is priced from 468,000 RMB, which is around $72,000. The ES6 starts at 358,000 RMB, about $55,000. The EC6 is priced from $368,000 RMB, approximately $57,000. It's important to note that these prices can vary depending on optional extras and specific configurations chosen by the buyer. Now, let's talk about ideal use cases. NEO's vehicles are perfect for environmentally conscious consumers who want a premium, high-performance electric vehicle. They're also great for tech enthusiasts, as they feature next-gen technologies in connectivity, autonomous driving, and AI. And with their unique battery swapping technology, they are ideal for those who want flexibility and convenience in charging options. They're not just cars, but also a statement about sustainable and smart living. Moving on to the advantages. NIO's vehicles are beautifully designed with top-notch interiors and advanced tech features. Their battery swapping technology offers a unique solution to the problem of long charging times. NEO also provides a holistic user experience with services such as NEO houses, which are not just showrooms, but also social spaces for NEO owners. And let's not forget, NEO is backed by strong investors and partnerships, which speaks volumes about its credibility and potential. However, there are also some limitations. While NIO's premium pricing matches its offerings, it does limit its customer base. The battery swapping technology, though innovative, is still not widespread and depends on infrastructure development. There's also the risk associated with the volatile regulatory environment in China, which can impact NEO's operations. Moreover, NEO, like other EV manufacturers, faces intense competition, both from traditional automakers and other EV startups. Key takeaways. NIO is a strong player in China's premium EV market, offering innovative features and services. While it does have its limitations, its strengths like design, technology, and unique battery swapping solution make it stand out. If you're looking for a premium, high-performance electric vehicle with a comprehensive user experience and don't mind the premium price tag, NIO could be a great choice. That concludes our analysis of NIO Inc. We hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis. Thank you for watching.